something you build. It's something you find under the whole pile of nonsense you were handed. We're all told to find yourself, build yourself, reinvent yourself. New year, new me, right? Meanwhile, society hands us our personality like an IKEA furniture, flat packed, badly labeled, and missing three screws. And we're all supposed to assemble that with emotional duct tape. Here's the plot twist: what you actually assemble from what society gave you, it's not a personality. It's more like a survival